Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine and studying well at your home. Let us begin class for the day. We were reading about nouns. Topic for the day is collective nouns. What are collective nouns? Collective nouns give one word that names a group of people, animals, or things. In simple words, we can say a group of things which has been given a different name is known as collective noun. For example, a group of keys is said to be a bunch of keys. In this phrase, bunch is an example of collective noun. A group of soldiers is said to be an army of soldiers. In this phrase, army is an example of collective noun. A group of ducks is said to be a team of ducks. In this sentence, team is an example of collective nouns. You will understand this more clearly with the help of some more examples. Have a look. People, a group of people if it is a small group. But if it is a large group, you say a crowd of people. In this sentence, crowd is an example of collective noun. Similarly, a class of students. A group of students is known as a class of students. In this phrase, class is an example of collective nouns. A bouquet of flowers. In this sentence, bouquet is a collective noun. A bunch of keys. A group of keys is said to be a bunch of keys. In this sentence, bunch is an example of collective noun. A pack of wolves. A group of wolves is said to be a pack of wolves. In this sentence, pack is an example of collective noun. A flock of sheep. A group of sheep is said to be a flock of sheep. A pride of lions. A group of lions is said to be a pride of lions. A herd of elephants. A group of elephants is said as a herd of elephants. In this phrase, herd is an example of collective noun. A murder of crows. A group of crows is said to be a murder of crows. A bundle of cloths. A cast of actors. A group of actors is known as a cast of actors. A choir of singers. A parliament of owls. A group of owls is known as a parliament of owls. A flight of butterflies. A group of butterflies is known as a flight of butterflies. Some more facts about collective nouns. A collective noun usually takes a singular verb in a sentence. A collective noun usually works as a singular verb in a sentence. For example, the flock of birds is sitting on the tree. So, as you can see, the verb we are using here is and is a singular verb. किसी भी collective noun के साथ singular verb का use करते हैं. For example, flock of birds is sitting on the tree. So, is. We are using is here. And you know इज जो है एक सिंगुलर वर्ब है. Another thing, it does not begin with a capital letter. A collective noun does not needs to be begin with a capital letter. I hope now you understand what collective nouns are. Let's practice. Try to solve these questions in your rough notebook. Question first, fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns. Some fill-ups have been given here and you have to choose suitable collective nouns from the upper column and place it in the blanks. Similarly, the next one, fill in the blanks with suitable nouns. Some proper nouns, common nouns and collective nouns have combinedly given here and you have to fill the blanks. All the best. Thank you.